This is the jelly fruit salad. We will make it now for you and show you so that you will enjoy the way that I am going to do and show. How to make the jelly also I am going to show you. So we'll join together and prepare this. You either take the China moss. China moss, when you say this is the China moss. China moss you get like this. It's an artificial one. This you have to boil it. And you get the sea moss also. The sea moss is the best like. That when you take, it's like roots, brown color roots like. Soak it overnight with a little lime and the next day you wash it, it becomes white in color. Then you boil it. Now what I am going to do is I have taken this China moss. I take about 10 grams of those and don't take too much because it becomes very, very stiff. And I need along with that 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 cups of water, and you boil it. Nicely boil till this moss jelly gets melted and it gets dissolved nicely. Even if you take the sea moss also, same way, you put the water, 2.5 cups, sugar, and you start boiling. Boiling and boiling and boiling. It takes about, say about 5 minutes at least it will take till all this gets melted. Even the sea moss has to get melted. So you nicely cook till it gets cooked well. Now, nicely it has got cooked. Strain this. Once you strain it, all that has dissolved. Now see, can see, it's like jelly. Already it looks like jelly. I have taken 2 bowls. I'm going to Now I'm going to put the essence. 1/4 teaspoon of strawberry essence and a little bit of red coloring. Red coloring you put. Then I take pineapple essence. That is my preferable, my favorite essence. That along with that green color. The quantity, of course, you can put whatever quantity you want. Make it dark or light or whatever you like, you can have it. This is the moss jelly. You know what I'm going to do now? I will keep this not in the fridge. Without keeping it in the fridge itself, it will start what? Getting firm. So that easy to set it. And if you want, you can keep in the fridge if you want to cool it or something. Other than that, you can always set it and take it within half an hour, 1 hour, without keeping in the fridge itself. You can set and take the jelly. Both jellies are the same. This is what I did it to show you, and the one I have already made for you. See. So beautiful to have the jelly like this. You can eat this jelly. It's nice to have it. Even if I keep it out, nothing will happen. But when you eat, it will be nice and soft and creamy like. So these are the 2 jellies. Strawberry jelly and pineapple jelly I have done. This is easy to make this. To make the fruit salad, I have got some fruits. Cut the apple, put it in water with a little lime juice and kept so that it won't become discolored. And I have taken the grapes. Only grapes and apple I am going to use now. But generally what you do is, you can have any other fruits. Pineapple, mangoes, like that. But not bananas. Leaving the bananas, any other fruits you can take it. And a little of this. Then all the fruits. You can see the other jelly also, which I have done now. In a little while, it will get melted. So that is done. These are the fruits that I have used for today. But generally, pineapple, mangoes, you can use lychees. That is, we call it rambutan, lychees. You can use any fruits you like except bananas. So to make the cream, see what I am doing. I have taken a whipping cream, a little orange juice. Last of all, the almonds. Almonds I am putting on top. Either the either you can use cashew nuts or almonds. Without the skin, you have to take the almonds. I'll show you. I'll tell you how to use the almonds also. This jelly fruit salad, you can have it after dinner or tea time. You can have it. It's really nice to have it either dinner, after dinner, or tea time. So be ready. Watch what I am going to do next week.